Before spending 13-month pay or bonus na makukuha mo, panoorin mo muna tong video na to. Hi guys, I'm Rica G and this is Rica G channel. Welcome back for another vlog, and before I start, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below for you to be notified whenever I upload new videos. If you're new in this channel talks about lifestyle, tips, tutorials, and reviews. So guys, it's the most wonderful time of the year again, and for this video, I'm gonna be discussing your options kung saan nyo pwedeng dalhin ang 13-month pay or bonus ninyo. I will be discussing 6 options, but before I start, ano nga ba ang 13th-month pay? From Bureau of Working Conditions, what is 13th-month pay? It is a mandatory benefit provided to employees pursuant to the Presidential Decree number 851, which requires employers to grant 13th-month pay to all its rank-and-file employees. And what is bonus? Bonus is an amount granted to an employee in excess of what the law requires as a reward or incentive for achieving a goal and or contributing to the success of the employer's business. Unlike 13-month pay, a bonus is given out of the employer's generosity and is not a demandable and enforceable obligation unless when it has been made part of the wage or made the subject of an express agreement. So guys, magkaiba ang 13th-month pay and bonus. Ang 13th-month pay ay mandatory at ang bonus ay out of employer's generosity. Kailan nga ba dapat natatanggap ang 13th-month pay? It should be paid not later than December 24 of each year. An employer, however, may give it to his employees 1/2 of the 13th-month pay before the opening of the regular school year and the other half on or before the 24th day of December of every year. Going back to the topic, here are my 6 options on where you can put up your 13-month pay or bonus. So first, settle your debts or bayaran ng mga utang. Be it credit cards, utang sa ka-work mo, utang sa ka-family member, loans. Minsan kasi yung interest, dun mapupunta yung budget mo kapag na-carry over sa susunod na taon yung mga loans and mga utang na yun. So, sa interest pa lang, hindi ka na makapag-budget. And mas magandang mag-start ka ng year na debt-free ka or wala ka talagang utang at meron kang peace of mind. Second option is to build or rebuild your emergency fund. So, why did I say build and rebuild? Build for those who are wala pang mga emergency fund. So, you can start by building your emergency fund. And emergency fund should be at least 3 or 6 months of your monthly salary. And rebuild naman kasi 'di ba during pandemic nagamit natin yung mga emergency fund natin. So, we can start rebuilding our emergency fund and save for our emergency fund. Instead of splurging sa mga bagay na like shopping, shoes, and bags, unahin muna natin yung emergency fund natin. Probably most of us natuto na nung time ng quarantine, di ba? On and off, lift yung quarantine, alternate yung work schedule, yung iba work from home. So, yung income na dati mong natatanggap, hindi mo siya na-receive these past few months and nagamit natin yung mga emergency fund natin. So, that's my second option, build or rebuild your emergency fund. Third is reward yourself with things na nag-i-increase yung value over time. So, example is gold jewelries. Because, syempre yung gold, tumataas yung value niya over time. Instead of buying shoes, again, or bags, or anything, or bonggang handaan sa 24th or sa New Year, bumili na lang tayo ng gold as a reward to ourselves. Kasi, ang gold nga is magandang investment. And I have a video previously, lalagay ko yung paklik na lang nitong nasa taas para mapanood nyo kung bakit magandang investment ang gold. Yung gold at first kapag bumili ka and then pina-appraise mo sa mga pawn shop, parang iisipin mo na parang lugi ka kasi nga mas mababa yung price. Pero over time, siguro mga after 5 to 10 years, as in mas malaki pa talaga or dodoble talaga yung price niya. And dun mo mararamdaman na talagang magandang investment siya. For the fourth option, get an insurance. So, now is the best time then to get an insurance. Pero you have to identify kung ano yung needs mo. Merong kailangan ay term insurance, health insurance. So, bakit ko sinabi na now is the best time to get an insurance? Kasi since malaki nga yung perang pumasok sa'yo, kasi bonus ngayon or 13th month, hindi mo mararamdaman yung ibabayad mo dun sa premium. Kasi merong mga insurance na ang kailangan mo bayaran ay first 3 months or first quarter agad. And mas maganda nga kumuha ng insurance kung mas bata ka pa, mas mababa yung premium. Meron din akong video previously with regards to insurance, yung pro-life naman. Lalagay ko sa taas, pa-click na lang din if you want to watch that video. Fifth option is to invest your money. Pwede kang mag-open ng MP2. Meron akong mga video din previously na na-discuss kung magkano yung kikitain mo sa MP2, paano mag-open ng MP2. Lalagay ko rin ulit siya sa taas if you want to watch the video regarding MP2. And then, pwede ring stock market or mutual funds. Depende sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mong investment for beginners, kung beginners ka pa lang. Pero yung MP2 is may suggested talaga where you can invest na mataas yung interest and hindi mo talaga siya magagalaw kasi nga nakasave siya ng 5 years or naka-lock in siya ng 5 years. Guys, yung pagkaka-discuss ko pala ng mga options in order kasi hindi ka pwedeng mag-start mag-invest kung wala ka namang emergency fund and hindi ka rin dapat kumuha ng insurance kung wala ka ring emergency fund. So, sunod-sunod siya talaga. And bago ka rin makapag-start ng emergency fund, kailangan wala kang utang or debt-free ka. Okay, lastly, for the sixth suggestion or option is to start a small business. Siguro over the years or months, a few months ago, meron ka ng mga naiisip kung ano yung gusto mong i-open na business. So, ngayon, since you receive your 13th month pay or bonus, you can use that to fund the business or start as capital. Having a small business, syempre, it's an additional income then for you to be able to earn more and save more. So, these are just options tong mga shinare ko. Siyempre, kanya-kanya tayo ng preferences in life. Meron pa rin gustong maghanda ng todo sa Christmas. Meron din gustong ipang-shopping yung na-receive nila. But, let us always remember to spend our money wisely, our hard-earned money wisely. Because we working professionals are fortunate to receive this 13th month pay or bonus. So, Merry Christmas, everyone! Thank you for watching Rica G channel. Bye!